Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best infrared thermometers available on the market and putting them to the test for their true quality. Whether you're cooking, grilling, working on HVAC systems, or just need precise temperature measurements, we've got you covered. You can find product links in the description below. So let's dive in. Coming in at number 5 is the Suncoda Digital Infrared Thermometer Gun, the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $8.98. This thermometer is perfect for basic cooking and grilling needs, offering a wide temperature range from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. It features a backlit LCD display for easy readability, even in low-light conditions, and includes a data hold function which freezes the last reading for added convenience. While its fixed emissivity setting of 0.95 works for most organic and painted surfaces, it's not adjustable, meaning it may struggle to measure shiny or polished metals accurately. To compensate, you can use masking tape or black paint on the surface, an extra step that may not appeal to everyone. Build-wise, this thermometer is lightweight and made of plastic, making it portable but not particularly durable. Overall, the Suncoda thermometer is ideal for casual users who don't need advanced features or extreme precision. Its affordability makes it a great entry-level option, though its limited functionality and basic design may leave more demanding users wanting more. If you're on a tight budget and need a simple tool for cooking or grilling, this is a solid pick. At number 4, we have the Klein Tools IR1 Infrared Thermometer, a durable and versatile tool designed for professionals and home users alike. With its optical resolution of 10:1 and temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, this thermometer is suitable for a wide variety of applications, from HVAC diagnostics to cooking. It features laser targeting for pinpoint accuracy and a backlit digital display for clear readings. Plus, its 6.6-foot drop protection ensures it can withstand tough job site conditions. One major highlight is its fixed emissivity value of 0.95, which simplifies usage for most surfaces, but limits flexibility for measuring polished or reflective materials. The included custom pouch and 9-volt battery make it ready to use straight out of the box, adding to its convenience. However, it lacks some advanced features like adjustable emissivity or quick response times seen in other models. This thermometer is best suited for users who need a robust, reliable tool for general temperature measurement tasks. It's not the cheapest option, but its build quality and durability justify the higher price tag. If you're looking for a mid-range thermometer that's built to last, the Klein Tools IR1 is a worthy contender. At number 3, we have the City Infrared Thermometer Laser Temperature Gun 774, a versatile tool priced at $15.99 that's packed with features. This thermometer boasts a 12:1 distance-to-spot ratio, allowing you to measure temperatures accurately from a safe distance. With a range of -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 Fahrenheit, it's great for cooking, grilling, candy making, and even automotive tasks. Its bright, backlit LCD screen ensures readability in low-light environments, and the included AAA batteries mean you can start using it right away. One of its standout features is the real-time temperature display, which averages the temperature within the circular area targeted by the infrared sensor. This makes it a reliable option for consistent readings. However, it's important to note that this thermometer is not intended for use on humans or animals, as it's calibrated specifically for inanimate objects. The construction is solid, with a lightweight ABS plastic body that strikes a balance between portability and durability. Overall, the City 774 offers great value for its price. It's perfect for home cooks and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable, easy-to-use thermometer without breaking the bank. While it lacks adjustable emissivity, its accuracy and user-friendly design make it a fantastic choice for everyday use. At number 2 is the ThermoPro TP30 Infrared Thermometer Gun, priced at $19.99 and offering incredible features for its cost. This thermometer is designed for precision, with a plus-minus 1.5% accuracy rate, thanks to its advanced thermopile sensor technology. Its adjustable emissivity range, 0.1 to 1.0, allows for accurate readings across different surfaces, making it ideal for a variety of tasks such as cooking, HVAC work, and automotive diagnostics. With a wide temperature range of -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1,022 degrees Fahrenheit, it can handle everything from freezing conditions to high heat scenarios. The TP30 is equipped with a large backlit LCD screen that displays max, min, AVG temperatures, ensuring you always have the data you need. Its ultra-fast response time of less than 500 milliseconds means you won't be left waiting for results. Build-wise, it's lightweight but sturdy, with a comfortable grip for extended use. However, it's not designed for measuring human body temperatures, which is a limitation for those looking for multi-purpose use. In terms of value, the ThermoPro TP30 excels as a mid-tier option with high-end features. It's perfect for users who want precision and flexibility without spending a fortune. Whether you're checking the temperature of a pizza oven or an engine, this thermometer delivers consistent, reliable performance. Finally, at number 1, we have the ThermoPro TP420 2-in-1 instant read thermometer, the premium option on our list at $41.98. This thermometer combines infrared technology with a meat probe, making it a standout choice for cooks and grill enthusiasts. It measures both internal and surface temperatures, with the probe providing highly accurate readings within plus-minus 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit in just 2 to 3 seconds. The infrared sensor boasts a 12-to-1 distance-to-spot ratio and a temperature range of -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile for cooking, baking, grilling, and even HVAC tasks. Its user-friendly design includes a foldable, waterproof probe and a large backlit display for easy operation in any lighting condition. The TP420 also features max-min average temperature displays, giving you comprehensive data for precise cooking. Build quality is excellent, with a compact and ergonomic design that feels premium in hand. The inclusion of CE and FCC certifications adds to its reliability and safety. The ThermoPro TP420 is ideal for serious home cooks, professional chefs, or anyone who needs a highly accurate and versatile thermometer. While it's the most expensive option on our list, its dual functionality and top-notch performance make it worth every penny. If you're looking for the ultimate infrared thermometer, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked this comparison, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments which thermometer you're planning to buy, or if you have any questions about the products. I'll be sure to respond to your comments. See you in the next video.